Hi all, this is Surya, working as an assistant professor in Dr.SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development. Here we are going to see about the topic of ATM cells, that is transmission of ATM cells. ATM, that is asynchronous transfer mode. It has a fixed size of packets of data that should be transmitted from one information to the another, right? That inside the ATM network also. Each ATM consists of 5-bit header and 48-byte payload. Totally we have 53 bytes in size. And this have virtual channel identifier and virtual path identifier. The routes that sells through the network. And the transmission of ATM cell involves some following steps. Segmentation, first one. Segmentation, what is the meaning of segmentation? It's a fixed size of ATM cell. It has a higher level of protocols. The data has been higher level of protocols that each cell have 53 byte size, 48 byte reserves of payload, and 5 bit of header information. Okay. The next one, header addition. Header addition, it includes the routing and the process of the cell in the network. That has virtual system, virtual channel identifier, virtual path identifier values. Each determine the path. And here we can see the virtual channel identifier, virtual path identifier. Determines the path of the cell through the networks. And next one is transmission. You know what is a transmission, how it is transferred, and time divisions of multiplexing, and the cells from different source can be interpreted. And we have physical link inside the transmitted thing and the network resources. Example, if you are considering a video streaming, okay, the ATM technology deliver video content to the user. How they will conduct a video? The video data is segmented into fixed size ATM cell, right? Should be perfectly fitted to the ATM cell. Each cell contains the photos of video data along with the necessary header information, including visual channel identifier and visual path identifier values, right? And these identifiers are helpful for their transaction. And the transaction should be perfect in the ATM cells. The ATM cells is transmitted over the ATM network. And the cell forwarding the design visual path and visual channel, and it should be based on their header information. And each and every reassembled things, original videos, data, and reassembled playback videos also contain the user devices. For here, we have seen a small example. ATM cell enables and reliable delivery video content over the network, ensuring a smooth streaming experience for the users. The user also want to explain, and they also want to rectify, and they want to give a correct process, right? And here we can see the header payload and virtual path identifier, virtual channel identifier, and byte 1 to byte 5 we have explained here. The payload is 48 bytes. And bytes, here we can see the data that is 48 and the headers that have 5 bytes. And the bits, it has been transferred to 4, and path identifier 12, and channel is 12, and clip is 1, and hex is 8. Interface unit and payload type that has 3, and cell loss priority, that is CLP, that has 1. And each and every bytes has been interfaces into NNI, UNI to NNI. Okay. And we can know what is ATM cell and how we are going to upload the videos in the ATM cell, and what are the transmission has been done in the ATM cell, and how we can asynchronize the transfer mode, and we can identify each and every process. And here the assignment is each and every ATM cells has different methodologies, right? It has different chips too, and you want to find out the chips, and you want to write an assignment regarding ATM cells, and using the bits and bytes, and you can calculate through your own ideas, and you can come along with that. Okay, you can see along with the assignment. And thank you all, thank you for this.